Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topics: optional class with other methods in Java programming, including some method references in its methods. So first of all, what is optional class in Java programming? So this class was introduced in Java in JDK 1.8 or Java 8 version. So using this class, we can deal with null pointer exceptions in Java program very efficiently. So this class is available in java.util package, and this class provides different methods to check for the presence of a value in a particular variable. Right, so if we see the description of the class, java p -p java.util.Optional. Right, open the command prompt, go to your working directory and issue this. So optional class. So optional class is a final class. Right, so coming to the methods of nullable, it returns an empty optional object or it returns a value with optional object. So of nullable, so we have to pass the value, checks whether the value is empty or not. If the value is empty, it returns a empty optional object or with value optional object. Next, if present, if the value is present in the optional object, we can execute a anonymous function from consumer functional interface. So in the consumer functional interface, which is available in java.util.function package, we have only one abstract method, which is accept. So it will accept our value as input and it will perform some operation as per the requirement. Similarly, get, it returns the value from a optional object. Next, optional.empty, it is a static method, so it returns a empty optional object. Next, optional.off t, so whatever the value we are passing, it returns a non-empty optional object with that particular value. And then we can also use filter method, which takes predicate function as input parameter. So predicate is a functional interface which contains only one method, test, and returns true or false. Right, java.util.function.predicate, only one abstract method, test. So it will take our value from the optional object, so test that value and returns true or false. So for this we can use lambda expression or method reference. Next, is present, if the value is present it returns true, otherwise false. Is empty, if the value is not present, if the optional object is empty, then it returns true, otherwise false. Or else t, so it gives the value of an optional object. If the value is not present, it will give t, else. So this is for else part, it will give the value from the t, which is a generic parameter. So let us try to demonstrate this in a program. Optional class example 2.java. So take a new page. So first write the comments. So import java.util package. So take the main class with main method and save this program in your working directory. Right, so let us take one string, array ss is equals to new string of 5. So we can take 5 strings in an array, ss of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in ss of 2, we are taking hello, welcome to Java. Right, so first we'll take an optional object using of nullable static method from optional class and pass ss2. So ss2 contains a value, so it returns a optional class object with string as value. So print that optional class object. So let us execute till here. put comment for the remaining cases. Right, so save this, come to the command prompt, so compile the program, optional class example 2. Right, no error, and run it. So optional class contains a value, hello, welcome to Java. Otherwise it will return empty optional object. Right, so now let us try to print that using if present. Okay, so optional object dot if present. If value is present, then we are doing a method reference for consumer function. So system dot out is a class name, double colon, println is the method. So it will print that on the output screen. So similarly, optional class object dot get, it returns the value, hello, welcome to Java. And directly we can also do ss of 2 to lowercase. So let us execute till here. Right, so save this, recompile and run. So using method reference, hello, welcome to Java, using get method whose return type is value from the optional class object, and then converting into lowercase directly using string class method to lowercase. So next we will create a empty optional object. So optional dot static method is empty. It creates an empty optional object and stores that in op obj. Print op obj. Right, save it, recompile and rerun. So optional dot empty. So it is a optional object without any value, empty value, or simply empty. Right, so next let us take an optional object with value using off method. Okay, so off method, it generally returns a non-instance, otherwise you'll get a error. So optional dot off ss of 2, we have the value, so it returns a optional object with the given value. So print optional object, save, recompile and run. So this is an optional object with a given value, hello, welcome to Java. Right, so let us say that what if we don't have a value, ss of 0, we don't have a value, save, recompile and run. So we'll get a again null pointer exception. We don't have a value, so it cannot create an object. Right, but off nullable is not like that. It will create a optional with empty object, optional with non-empty object also. But off method, it will give only non-empty object of optional class. Right, so anyhow, we'll take it ss of 2. Right, now we'll apply filter function. So filter function takes, so optional object dot filter function, it takes predicate function functional interface as input parameter, which contains test function. So let us redefine that test function with lambda expression. So take optional object value as input parameter and check if that value is equals to high. Okay, so if it is equals to high, okay, then it will return that value, otherwise it will return empty. Okay, so similarly, filter, take the input value and check if it is equals to hello, welcome to Java. So it will return the given value if it is equals, otherwise not. So save this. Okay, come to the command prompt, recompile and run. So empty. Okay, so initially, is it equals to high? No, false. So false means it will return a empty optional object. So s equals hello, welcome to Java, true. So then it returns a optional object which is equals to given value. Right. So next is present. So optional object dot is present. Value is present, true or false. Is empty, true or false. So we have the value. So hello, welcome to Java. So present, true. Empty, false. Next, coming to last method, or else method. Okay. Right. So first we'll do optional object dot or else method. Okay. Value is not there. Okay. So if the value is there, it will return that value, or else it will return value is not there. So since we have the value, it will return the value. Okay. Recompile, run. So value is there, so it is returning the given value. Hello, welcome to Java. Now let us take empty instance. So optional dot static method empty, it returns a empty optional object. Now the optional object does not have any value, so optional object dot or else value is not there. So since we have no value, it will return value is not there. So save this, recompile and run. So value is not there. So this is how we are supposed to work with optional class with other methods using method references, lambda expressions in Java programming. So basic concern is checking for value or not and avoiding null pointer exception. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.